Candidate Zip is a global provider for the fast and easy hiring workflows for the recruiters. So this is also one of our brand logo, that we are into we are a global provider, right, for the fast and easy hiring workflow for the recruiters. So what exactly Candidate Zip is? So we typically work for the recruiters who need to manage resumes and jobs easily in their process and basically the Candidate Zip is a technical hassle-free process through which the recruiters can easily automate their process and quickly select the most relevant candidate. So what the main feature of the Candidate Zip is that we help recruiters for saving their times by providing an innovative tools so that they can do what they love to do, that is more closing of jobs. So we have a different recruiters, like we have a recruiters and we have a different connectors with us like Zapier, MS Flow, which seamlessly connect resumes, right, resumes, jobs and ATS to the recruiters. And as I told you, that it helped them to save their times, which adds efficiency in the recruiters lives or daily lives, right? So let's understand more about what Candidate Zip is. So first of all, how we can help, as I told you that we have a different connectors with us like Chrome extension, Zapier and MS Flow, which connects resumes and jobs. And as I told you that it adds efficiency for the recruiter's life in the daily life as well as in their daily life. So how, what are the use cases of the candidates? If we talk about the candidates, if, as I told you that it is a time saving tool for the recruiters, which I have written as well, that it helps recruiters automate to complete hiring workflows for recruitment, right? So how does it work? It is a very simple process. It is a one-step process. Once you are into the candidateship, all your worries are in the hand. So what we do is the recruiters needs to create a workflow, which is one-time process, right? And after that, once we have selected this process, then they have simply have to automate with the help of Zapier and MS PowerEd, which are the different connectors which we have for the recruiters. So easily they can connect candidates up with the different your connectors, and they are easy to go, right? And on the other hand, we have a different features as well with us. One is zip parsing and the other is one-to-one match, which is just a one-click service for which we are providing for the candidates. And these are the most, used features of the candidates, which recruiters are currently using us. So next is, what are the benefits of candidates? So how, what we do is we help recruiters to automate their detailed resume data extraction and allows user to attract the custom data fields from the resume accurately. Like for example, you need different graduations and other academic results for the resume. So you can even select those custom fields and the automatically data will be extracted from that. And the other is that we provide a fast data migration from any source, including CRM and historical data. And especially, as I told you, that CandidateZip is a coding free app for the recruiters to automate their workflows in no time, right? So what we offer. So first is zip parsing. So what zip parsing is do? Like it is a feature that you can directly import past resume data, which is in the form of Excel file, into your CRM or ATS from a downloaded file. The other is the email parsing. It allows recruiters to extract past data from incoming emails. The third one is one-to-one match. As I have told you, that is the best feature of CandidateZip, which allows recruiters to have a one-to-one match for the relevant candidates with the job description, so that they can, match resumes as well as the job description so that they can get a relevant candidate. The other is Zapier integration, sorry. So Zapier is a connector which connects CandidateZip with a 200 plus app. This is the best part of CandidateZip, to having the Zapier integration with them. The other is CRM integration. So Candidate Zip integrates seamlessly with the different CRMs, like we have HubSpot with us, Greenhouse, ATS, and other Zohos like. Fine. The other is MS Power Automate integration. This this provides the help that it provides help user to create and automate workflows without a technical hassle. And the other is the MS Power Automate desktop integration. It allows recruiters to pass resume from your desktop to several applications such as Google Sheet, Excel Online, ATS, CRM, etc. And the last one is API integration. This integration programs allow you to generate a maximum revenue. So it is an add-on feature for the users if they are using Candidate Zip. So let's see how. I have prepared a one demo. Let's how resume you can parse resume with the with Candidate Zip. So we have a feature name as a bulk parsing, which you can provide a zip upload for the recruiters. So let's see what happens. We have a short video here. So I believe it will help you to understand. So what happened is when you have to parse a resume in a Candidate Zip. So what we have to do is you have to register with the Candidate Zip first with your login credentials. Then the part will be landed on our panel. So here on the left side, if you are is it visible to all, you have a dashboard of Candidate Zip. Below that, we have a bulk parsing resume parsing. So you have to select the bulk parsing resume. If you click on that, it will land you here on the page via zip upload. So here what you can do is via zip upload, like you have a 100+ resumes with you. So what you do is you generally have to upload a zip file here, like the column we have given you the upload file, right? So you have to browse your file here. Then you have to select the type, like you have a resumes to upload or JDs to upload. When there will be, like I'll play it, I guess you will see it. Yes, you have to browse it so that you can upload your file here, a zip file. Then you have to select the type, like JD or resume, whatever, whichever you want to. Then you have to select the email here, the third one. The email will be that one where you want your extracted data to be given, right? And we have given you the auto detail option as well. Like you want to delete your data within 3, 5, 7, whichever day which is suitable to you. Then simply you have to click on submit. So after submission, you get all your detailed data in the below one. So from where you can select and you can come to know that where your data has been extracted, right? So where we are. So currently we are in a global presence. So we have, 700+ registered clients with us. And we have 1.5 million workflows executed till date. And we are into 15+ countries, and still we are evolving, right?